It's me, Wayne, Midland, Dixon. Dedicated to all my M.I.A families. Midland running shit, our prayers never break. You see, the Chon Thongs always flexing with the crew. Gonna sing, my dude, we used to break a few rules. Obeying on the grind, hustling day and night. Power boy, keeping dreams alive, ready for the fight. Knowing, bringing fire, passion in the game. Yo, we're scattered now, but it's never been the same. M.I.A gang, we ballin' through the struggle. Different cities, but we still holding huddles. Miss my niggas, that's a motherfucking fact. Ambition and independence, we never looking back. Used to kick it hard, now we spread like smoke. Memories linger like the dreams that we spoke. Independence grinding, man, we chase our own fate. But I miss my fam, ain't nobody gon' debate. Thug life, living bitches know we tough. Through the ups and downs, we always had enough. Growing up together, we were reaching for the stars. Now it's Zoom calls, miss my homies, no bars. So here's to Milo, the John under a bed too. Cowboy, dumb it, my heart's forever with you. M.I.A gang, we may be miles apart, but you fucking know, you always in my heart. M.I.A forever, we rise, we elevate. Independent and strong, never hesitate.